Let's welcome awesome Rani Aditya. Rani Aditya is a brilliant and an enthusiastic learner with great imagination. She readily understands concepts and has great memorizing ability and excels in academics and possesses logical, visual and spatial intelligence. She has won first prize in picking up potatoes, second prize in reading, third prize in storytelling.
Who's the hero? Who's the hero?
Thank you, dear. Next comes admirable Rani Akarshana. Rani Akarshana is a soft-spoken, well-mannered, respectful girl with a pleasant smile. She performs well in all the activities and is very enthusiastic by nature and is good at bodily kinesthetic linguistic intelligence. She has won first prize in sack race, third in reading competition. I request all the parents to cheer the children.
Do you want to be a scientist? Do you want to be an icon?
Next comes ambitious Rani Anoki. She has won first prize in dance and backwalk, second in singing, third in English storytelling. Next comes amiable Rani Anjana. Rani Anjana is a soft-spoken, well-mannered, respectful child with a pleasant smile. She performs well in all activity and is very enthusiastic by nature and is good at linguistic intelligence. She has won second prize in English rhymes recitation, third in coloring and sack race, consolation and fancy dress. Next comes Lucky Rani Lakshanika. Rani Lakshanika is an obedient and compassionate girl. She is a keen student and has great grasping skill. She displays an excellent attitude towards everything and exhibits visual, spatial and logical intelligence. She has won second prize in handwriting, running race and third in Tirukural competition and backwalk. Next comes lovely Rani Lithika. Rani Lithika is a cute and energetic child. She is prompt and an enthusiastic student with good memorizing ability. She has won first prize in water filling, second in running race and third in fancy dress competition. Next comes marvelous Rani Megha. Rani Megha is a soft-spoken and lovely child. She enjoys every moment in class and participates well in all classroom activities. She is friendly in nature. She is appreciated for her bodily kinesthetic and visual spatial intelligence. She has won second prize in backwalk, Tamil rhymes recitation and third in coloring. Next comes magnificent Rani Manasa. Rani Manasa is a cute and an enthusiastic girl with very good grasping ability. She is a quick learner and also excels in her academics. She possesses linguistic, mathematical and spatial intelligence. She has won first prize in picking up potatoes, second in sack race, third in dance and consolation in fancy dress. Next comes Radiant Rani Reyasai. Rani Reyasai is a soft-spoken and a positive child. She is very much focused and finishes her work on time with accuracy. She possesses bodily kinesthetic, linguistic, spatial and naturalistic intelligence. She has won first prize in English rhymes recitation, second in backwalk, third in Tamil storytelling and consolation in fancy dress. Next comes smart Rani Sri Lakshana. Rani Sri Lakshana is an obedient and well-mannered girl. She works well independently and completes all her tasks and activities on time. She is appreciated for her linguistic and bodily kinesthetic intelligence. She has won first prize in handwriting and singing, third in water filling and consolation in fancy dress. Next comes tremendous Rani Tansi. Rani Tansi is a brilliant and an enthusiastic learner with great imagination. She readily understands concepts, has great memorizing ability and excels in academics and possesses logical, visual and spatial intelligence. She has won second prize in coloring and in picking up potatoes and consolation in English rhymes recitation. Next comes Zest Rani Zara. Rani Zara is very friendly and has a pleasant attitude towards everything and shows good grasping skills. She possesses musical, naturalistic, and bodily kinesthetic intelligence. She has won first prize in English storytelling, second in fancy dress, and consolation in running race. Next comes adorable Raja Adav. Raja Adav is an affectionate, caring, and helpful child and shows respect for teachers and peers. He enjoys activities held in the class and has interpersonal and bodily kinesthetic intelligence. He has won first prize in reading, second in backwalk, third in fancy dress. Next comes amicable Raja Adishivu. Raja Adishivu is a very responsible and a sensible child. He has the ability to commitment to excellent subjects. He enjoys coloring and possesses linguistic, naturalistic, and bodily kinesthetic intelligence. He has won first prize in Tamil storytelling, second in reading, third in handwriting and running race. Next comes dazzling Raja Dhiran. Raja Dhiran is a lovely boy, enjoys every moment in class, is good making friends, and very cooperative in class. He is appreciated for his bodily kinesthetic and visual and spatial intelligence. He has won first prize in water filling, third in running race, and consolation in Tamil rhymes recitation. Next comes Happy Raja Harshit Krishna. Raja Harshit Krishna is an obedient and well-mannered boy. He works well independently and completes all his tasks and activities on time. He is appreciated for his linguistic, naturalistic, and bodily kinesthetic intelligence. He has won first prize in handwriting, third in sack race, and consolation in Tirukkural. Next comes humble Raja Hashwant. Raja Hashwant is a soft-spoken and lovely boy, enjoys all classroom activities, and actively participates in coloring. He makes friends easily and exhibits bodily kinesthetic, naturalistic, and interpersonal intelligence. He has won first prize in coloring, second in dance and frog race. Next comes ideal Raja Ishan. Raja Ishan is very friendly and has a pleasant attitude towards everything. He is good at reciting rhymes. He possesses musical, naturalistic, and bodily kinesthetic intelligence. He has won first prize in penalty hit and third in coloring. Next comes joyful Raja Jaishwik Rajkumar. Raja Jaishwik is a pleasant, friendly, and an enthusiastic student. He is an eager learner, strives to do his best always, and shows keen interest in academics. He possesses linguistic, bodily kinesthetic, musical, and interpersonal intelligence. He has won first prize in fancy dress and second in English storytelling, third in lemon and spoon, and consolation in Tirukkural. Next comes keen Raja Kabilan. Raja Kabilan is a kind, helpful, and well-mannered child. He does his best in class and participates well in all activities. He possesses linguistic and visual spatial intelligence. He has won first prize in penalty hit and consolation in rhymes recitation. Next comes precious Raja Pratik. Raja Pratik is a keen observer and readily understands the concepts and ideas. He enjoys singing and coloring. He possesses linguistic, logical, mathematical, and musical intelligence. He has won first prize in handwriting, second singing, third in dance, and consolation in fancy dress. Next comes marvelous Raja Mitran. Raja Mitra is a very sweet and well-mannered child. He actively participates in all classroom activities and is very much interested in pure learning. He possesses linguistic, visual, spatial, and logical intelligence. He has won first prize in English rhymes recitation, second in storytelling, third in threading beads, and consolation in fancy dress. Next comes sparkling Raja Saladi Rayansh stage. Raja Rayansh is a respectful boy with a pleasant smile. He tries his best and enjoys coloring and is good at bodily kinesthetic intelligence. He has won second prize in tunnel challenge, third in coloring, and consolation in English rhymes recitation. Next comes sagacious Raja Siddharth. Raja Siddharth is a very studious and a well-mannered child. He is always prompt in his work and shows more interest in learning new things. He possesses linguistic, logical, musical, and bodily kinesthetic intelligence. He has won first prize in English rhymes recitation, second in Tamil rhymes recitation, and lemon and spoon, and third in Tirukkural recitation. Next comes victorious Raja Visagan. Raja Visagan is a studious child. He is an eager learner and readily grasps new concepts and ideas. He possesses linguistic, bodily kinesthetic, and spatial intelligence. He has won first prize in English storytelling, second in reading, and third in singing. Next comes tremendous Raja Tarun. Raja Tarun is a soft-spoken and a positive child. He has a pleasant attitude towards everything, shows good grasping skill and enjoys coloring. He possesses logical, bodily kinesthetic and linguistic intelligence. He has won first prize in Thirukural, third in Tunnel Challenge and Fancy Dress. Next comes talented Raja Tarun Akshay. Raja Tarun Akshay is a very cordial and a polite child. He possesses helping tendency and loves playing outdoor games. He possesses logical, bodily kinesthetic and spatial intelligence. He has won second in Thirukural and third in singing. Next comes valuable Raja Vishagan. Raja Vishagan is a soft-spoken and lovely boy. He enjoys all classroom activities. He makes friends easily and exhibits bodily kinesthetic, naturalistic and interpersonal intelligence. He has won third prize in backwalk, picking up potatoes and consolation in fancy dress competition. Next comes Zest Raja Zahav. Raja Zahav is a very friendly and has a pleasant attitude towards everything. He shows good grasping skill and is good at musical and naturalistic intelligence. He has won first prize in English rhymes recitation, penalty hit and third in threading beats. The next in line is our Rajas and Ranis from Montu. Now Fauzia ma'am will take over Montu citation.